All right, my friends, continuing on, objective 4, exercise 6 now. We're kind of moving along through the entire module. This is for adding fractions. And adding fractions has its own unique technique, which you learned earlier in the module, which is to convert to what is called the LCD. So the LCD is one way, and then another way that I kind of gave a funny name to, and you'll see why in a minute. So to do LCD, what you have to recognize for the first one is what is the most likely LCD. Obviously it's going to be 8. So one way to do it is to see if you can create an 8 pair. And what will we do? So look at it. It's 3/4. If we were to multiply the top and bottom by 2, something interesting happens to this left-hand side term. So you multiply top and bottom, and what do you notice? Something happens. 3 times 2 across the top is 6, but across the bottom, 4 times 2 is 8, and we're going to add it to the original 3/8. And what do we notice? That the denominators are common. And once you have commonality, you can add the tops regularly. And so what would be our answer? At the top, 6 and 3, 9. The bottom stays the same, 8. Now this little doozy here, probably not the best thing to show you, but I think you might find it interesting. But what you could do is cross multiply. Multiply to the left, 8 times 3 is 24. Multiply to the right, 4 times 3 is 12. And then you multiply what is called a cross, which is 4 times 8 is 32. Now you still have to fix the top, and the top, 24 plus 12 is 36 over 32. Now what do you notice? You can reduce, can't you? What do you think? And you can reduce by dividing the top and bottom by 4. Now what answer would you get? You would get 9/8. This little technique is used when these numbers are horrible. What if you had a 19 here and this was 17? You won't be able to find the LCD, so don't waste your time. But this little technique, I call it Zorro because of it. So go left, go right, go across. You might want to watch it again to make sure you catch the technique. So good luck.